Okay, so I totally forgot to do the intro for this video, but we will jump right into doing an all one brand wash day with LUS products. Are y'all ready? Here we go. Hello again. Here we go. Yet another hair washing over the tub with Courtney. Yes, I do actually wash my hair upside down every time I wash my hair. I am going in with the LUS shampoo. It did break. The packaging did break, but it still works. I can still get the product out. So if that happens to you, no big deal. That you push a little button on the bottom and it pushes the nozzle up. Anyway, let's talk about the shampoo. It comes out clear, but if you rub your hands together, it begins to lather in your hands, which I actually really like. I find that this shampoo does a fantastic job of cleansing without overstripping, and it smells fantastic. So I'm just really giving my scalp a good scrub here and making sure to work the shampoo through the lengths of my hair so that all my hair is cleansed. Now I have thoroughly rinsed all that shampoo out and I'm going in with the LUS conditioner. This conditioner is pretty thick, but I find that it has amazing amounts of slip. All these products have the same scent and they all smell fantastic. It's a scent that I really enjoy. It's a little bit strong, but I like it. And I tend to be kind of picky with my scents. So this one rubs me the right way, which is great. Also, you'll notice that I totally forgot to grab my wet brush and distribute the conditioner thoroughly through my hair with the wet brush. Why? Because this conditioner had so much slip, I didn't feel the need to. Instead, I'm grabbing palmfuls of water and making sure to do a really good squish to condish in the back of my hair, in the front of my hair, really thoroughly squishing that conditioner into the lengths of my hair. It helps with hydration. It gives your hair a chance to soak up all that awesome conditioner. And then I squeezed all the water out of my hair and thought, oops, wait, my hair needs to be more thoroughly saturated with water before I apply my styler. And LUS has a one and done styler, and I am taking 3 pumps of that and just glazing it over my hair. And then I thought, okay, this is a leave-in type product, so I'm going to go ahead and rake it through my hair like I would a leave-in, making sure to lift the hair off the back of my head and then push my hair away from my face with the wet brush to smooth those clumps in front. If you remember that from my clump video, the video where I talk about how I get really good clumps. Okay, anyway, now I'm going in and really squishing in this styler, starting with just squishing it in the front, and then I kind of stand up and shake the hair off the back of my head and then really concentrate on reaching around to the back of my head and squishing in the styler into the back of my head. I was standing up more than I normally do, so I'm a little out of frame. Sorry, guys. Now I'm taking 2 more pumps and really focusing those 2 pumps on the back of my hair. And you can see as I squish in this product, my curl clumps get slightly bigger. They kind of slime together and start to have some structure and some hold on their own. I really love this product for that reason. Okay, so I diffused my hair to 80% dry, and then I had to rush out the door. I have used these LUS products a couple times before, and they've kind of done this both times. During the diffusing process, I start noticing a lot of little flyaway frizzies, and so I stop diffusing when my hair is more damp so as not to bust up the curl clumps. When I start seeing that frizz floating around while I'm diffusing, I know it's time to quit. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. Now that it is 98% dry, I really do like the LUS products. They smell really good. I feel like my hair is really clean, but their one and done styler on its own has not had enough hold for me to, yeah, like y'all see, there's just weird things happening. There we go. Their one and done styler isn't a one and done styler for me. I am feeling the urge to have a stronger hold product put on top. It is a really neat product in the sense that it has more hold than a leave-in conditioner, but it's lighter weight than a cream. It's a very unique product. If you are looking for a leave-in with a little bit of hold, the LUS One and Done Styler may be your jam. And I really do enjoy the conditioner and the shampoo. The conditioner has crazy amounts of slip. I really enjoy that. The shampoo lathers and cleans my hair beautifully without overstripping it. But that one and done styler, not enough hold on its own. I really do love that it's a 3-step system. It's a complete system. It's not overdone. It's not 28 million products. And this is very pretty hair right now. Let's see exactly how it holds up, and I will see y'all tomorrow. All right, so it is the next day. I did everything I could to protect my hair, and this is what my hair is looking like on day 2 with the LUS products. Let's see. Staring into the viewfinder. My hair still smells good. I really like the way these products smell. There we go. All right, and yeah, that's it for this review. You guys can see the results for yourself. It's kind of like what I predicted yesterday. I really do enjoy their one and done styler, but when I approach it from the mindset of a leave-in with a little bit of hold, not a one and done styler. But here's my caveat. There are people who would find this one and done styler perfect for them as their single styler because they don't necessarily require a whole lot of hold. I will say too that my hair feels slightly heavy, and that is because these products do contain a bit of shea butter and they are very, very moisturizing. The weather right now where I live is incredibly dry, and my hair feels so happy. Not over moisturized, not too dry. It feels perfect, hydrated, happy. And this is very pretty hair. I do love these results. It's just not as defined or curl enhanced as some other products that I have tried on this channel. If this video was helpful to you, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It lets me know that I am helping you guys out. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that we can hang out some more. I absolutely adore hanging out with you guys in the comments. And as always, I hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye!